Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use points on the McDonald's app. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. And one thing that is worth to mention, by the way, not every country is going to have the exact same system to be able to use your points on McDonald's app, just so you know. So make sure that you also double check exactly what the rules is for your specific country. But I'm going to show you like basically how to actually use it, and I think it's going to be able to be applied to almost all the countries, but not everybody is the same. And also worth to mention, my app is in Swedish, so I'm going to explain to you exactly where to click and also show you exactly where to click, so it's actually much more easier for you to understand, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to enter the app now. And once again, it's going to be in Swedish, but don't worry, I'm going to actually make sure to include exactly where to click. I wasn't able to change the language. I tried, but it's not possible, unfortunately. So yes, you can see I'm now on this page right here. It does take quite a long time to actually load for some reason, but what I'm going to do now is to click right here. It says MYM on me, for me here, as you can see. I think maybe it's like my McDonald's rewards, maybe. And you can see your rewards right here. So let's say that you want to be able to redeem it. So for example, I can click where it says chili cheese tops here. It costs 250 points. I don't have it right now, but let's say that I do. So I'm just going to click right here. And as you can see, I am able to actually redeem it once I reach 250 points. So what I have to do is to click on the use the code or use this use this offer, I think it's called, and I have to click right here. So when I have 250 points, I will be able to use click right here, and then what will happen is that I will get like a code or a QR code that I can actually scan when I go to McDonald's. So I can actually scan the QR code or give them the code, and then I will be able to get free chili cheese tops, if that makes sense, because I have enough points to get it. Let's say that, for example. And basically that is exactly how to actually use it. I wasn't able to actually use points to make online orders. I don't know why. I guess that it's not really possible right now, at least for me. So I tried to make an order a long time ago, or like a month ago, and I had some points back then, and I wasn't able to use them on the online order on the app itself. I was only able to actually use it when I went physically into the store, if that makes sense. But hopefully this video will be able to clarify to you exactly how to use points on the McDonald's app.